Okay, so I've gone from the hustle and bustle of Hollywood to the beauty of nature. Look at it, it's gorgeous. There's like snow-capped mountains and stuff. And I've never seen snow. Look, can you see? It's amazing. And listen, ready? Listen, listen. Are you alright, iPhone? Walking disaster. Alright. Now, apart from dropping my iPhone, where am I going? Oh, you're alright, iPhone. Poor thing. Listen. Wait for this stupid car to go past and then listen. Alright, now I'm going to stand still. Now, listen. Huh?
I knew I'd lose you down here.
Yeah.
It's pretty great, isn't it?
It's amazing. Wave. He's not waving. Wave.
You found video space?
I just deleted some stuff. But you gotta be ready. Shh. Alright, there is something making noise. I don't know what it is, but apart from that, look.
Look how still that water is.
Apart from the duck. That's cool.
Oh, the sea otter.
Where?
Out there.
No, there's
Yeah,
not.
left side. Sea otter.
I didn't even know what a sea otter is, but it sounds exciting.
No, they're always out here.
Where? How can you see stuff?
He just went down. It's the left side, and now it's just a pool of ripple. Come back up.
Okay. Gotta go upstairs and look at
You're
this.
looking at those two buoys?
The
Right
boys?
between- Those two buoys.